Original January 2021. A challenge to all government employees and privileged natives. Peddling narrative that natives are lazy, hence not working. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. The challenge is still on for all these state workers. Data collected indicates you the most vocal, calling native brothers and sisters lazy and xenophobic when they demand jobs/opportunities and integration into economy, are mainly government employees with comfortable, protected, paid monthly government jobs. So the challenge is still there. Please resign from these protected jobs and go face the private sector. You were never employed because you knew someone inside but for your skills. Correct. Then resign and apply your skills in the private sector. Think of all the opportunities for you because you're clearly the only hard-working and clever natives. Show us how to hustle those tenders, etc. Because when the people tell you the table is pitched against them, that there is systematic discrimination of the native in our economy, they are being replaced by the foreigner, but you continue to call them lazy. Show us leadership. Resign and come show us lazy natives. But we all know that would never happen. If you resign, 90% of you will never work again. So stop now, stop calling natives names when you know the facts. Our government has sold our country to the highest bidder at the cost of citizens/natives. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. Thandi here. Awesome, have a great one.
The most dangerous position in South Africa to hold is the position of a Director General, Head of Department, CEO of a parastatal. When you hold those positions, bayakutshela ukuthi lalela uzoba i-CEO la post office. Wonke amathenda wala ayakubani nobani nobani. If you don't agree, you can't get the job. And if you get the job and you want to be an activist and you fight, you're out. The most dangerous